How do you roll in your closing costs when you're purchasing a home? Banks actually do allow you to roll in your closing costs with something called a seller's concession. So how does this work? Let's use an example, so hopefully this makes a little bit more sense. Let's say that you've agreed to what I call the base price with the seller of $300,000, and the seller is going to let you use a $15,000 seller's concession. You're going to take your $300,000, you're going to add the $15,000, and you're going to come up with a new effective purchase price of $315,000. That's the price that will be written into the contract, and that's the price that you're going to put your down payment on. If all of the closing costs are contained within that $15,000, that's all you're going to need. Now, on the other hand, let's say your closing costs come in at $17,000. If that's the case, then you would be required to pay the difference, the $2,000, in addition to your down payment. Now, I know this is a little bit tricky. You might have to watch this video a couple of times for it to make sense. If you'd like to discuss this topic a little bit further and see if a seller's concession is an option for you, please feel free to call me anytime or reach out through my website, mortgagefinancewithphil.com.